All aboard!
It's Driver Dan's Story Train!
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Driver Dan.
Which of our friends are we going to see? Which of our friends do you think it will be? Climb aboard and travel with me. All aboard the story train.
All aboard the Story Train! Twinkle, have you spotted someone? I can't see who it is. Can you?
That's an arm.
I can see a leg.
I can see a foot.
I know who it is. It's Hip. Or is it Hop?
It's Hip. Hip's dancing. There's Hop too. She's by the carriage.
You're right. It's Hip and Hop. Let's go and see what they're doing today.
I could tell it was Hip because he's brown with white spots.
And Hop's white with brown spots.
Hi, Driver Dan. Do you like my moves? I'm practicing for our dancing show later.
Very cool, Hip. In fact, very hip.
Dan, I'm dancing in the show too. I'm really good.
That's great, Hop. What kind of dance are you going to do?
I don't know. I haven't got my dance ready. Does that mean I can't be in the show?
No, of course not. You've still got time to make up a dance.
Have I? I really want to be in it. It's not just us, Dan. Everyone is practicing today. We want to do the show before we go to Story Corner.
So what are we waiting for? Dance aboard! Twinkle, are we all hooked up and ready to go? Nice dance, Twinkle. Are you ready too? Then let's go!
All aboard the Story Train!
Who can Twinkle see? Are they dancing too?
What was that?
It's spinning round. I saw something pink. Is it Millie and Lily?
There's something black too. It's moving up. I'm not sure what it is. It's Sweetie with Millie and Lily. There are 3 of them. They're all dancing.
Well done, you're right. It's Millie, Lily and Sweetie practicing for the show.
Hi, Driver Dan! Hi, Hip and Hop! Hooray! Everyone is here, so now we can start the show.
Oh no, is it time to start?
Yes. Aren't you excited? I love dancing.
I think I'll just watch. I haven't got my dance ready.
Now, it's time for the amazing dancing show. Take it away, Hip.
My dance is called Hip Hoppin' Hip. Hip hop. Stick my arm out, jerk it 1, 2, 3, and wave it 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Our dance is called Beautiful Ballerinas!
Wow, amazing. Wow, good dancing.
On my tiptoes, round and round.
Hello. My dance is called the Sweetie Skip.
Whoops! Hop, skip, jump.
Woohoo!
Oh, is it finished? Are there any more dances?
What about Hop?
I don't think Hop's got a dance.
Oh, yes, I have. And it is called Dance Yourself Dizzy.
Oh!
Where has she gone?
Shh!
Incredible! Well done, Hop. That was quite a dance.
Thanks.
How did you do it?
By watching my friends, of course. Hip, you showed me how to body pop. Millie and Lily showed me how to spin. And Sweetie showed me how to fall.
Oh, but what about the backspin?
I made that one up myself. You were really good. Everyone was. My dance was good because all of you did good dances.
That was the best dancing show I've ever seen. Well done, everyone. And now we should dance on over to the story train.
Yay! Time for story time.
We're all hooked up. Twinkle, are we ready to go? Are you ready too? Then let's go!
All aboard the story train.
It's time for a story. I think it would be about falling over. I like stories about funny noises.
Story Corner.
Story corner!
Is everyone ready for a story?
I am. May we have a story about ballerinas?
What about... Aha! I know just the book. Is everybody settled down and ready to listen?
We're ready.
We are!
And me.
And all of you sitting down comfy and ready to listen?
Ready, Dan?
This story is called The Congo Conga.
Ooh.
It was written by Rachel Dawson and the pictures are by Leah Ellen Hemming. Far away in forests deep, there is a jungle beat, a place for all the animals to really move their feet.
What animals are they?
You'll see. The zebras like to pirouette, the hippos always wiggle, and seeing lions highland fling makes cheetahs really giggle.
It makes me giggle too.
But the favourite dance of all that each time gets even longer is the special move they like to call the Crazy Congo Conga.
More dancing! More dancing!
The warthogs skip the polka, while monkeys do the jive. And when the rhino tap dance, they really come alive.
Wow, they're good dancers.
But the favourite dance of all, that each time gets even longer, is the special move they like to call the Crazy Congo Conga. Snakes all like to slow dance, and bats are great at tango. Mongooses always take first place when they dance the great fandango. But the favourite dance of all, that each time gets even longer, is the special move they like to call the Crazy Congo Conga!
Hooray!
The end. Did you all enjoy the story?
Yay! They were all really good dancers and funny too.
And now it's your turn. Which bit did you like best? It's time to show me the story.
Boo! Can you see me? I'm in the jungle. Hello! Hello! I'm dancing with the warthogs. This is funny. I'm dancing with the zebras. We're upside down bats. Flap, flap, flap. I'm dancing with the lions. This is the Highland Fling. We're all dancing together. We're doing the conga. Look at all the animals. The Crazy Congo Conga.
Well done. Great dancing.
Oh, brilliant!
Has all that dancing worn you out, Hop?
Yes. There is so many different dances.
I could try the fandango.
We can do a waltz.
You all know how to conga.
Let's do the crazy Congo Conga.
Oh, yeah!
Great idea.
It's the story train Conga.
Glad you enjoyed the story, everyone, and the dancing. But now it's time to go. All aboard!
All aboard the story train!
Hooray!
Bye, everyone. It's time to go. But let's come back soon because we all love stories!
Bye, Grandma Dan. Bye. I like stories about frogs. I like noisy stories. Tractor stories are best.